Kung may Pioneer DJ headphones ka, tapos tas-tas na yung ear cups nila, katulad nito, sobrang dali lang pala nila palitan. So what you're gonna need is yung actual replacement pads ito. You can get them from Pioneer DJ Philippines. Ito, galing sa kanila. Although meron other replacement pads that you can also get online, hanap ka na lang sa Lazada or sa Shopee. So all you need to do is, itong pad na to, iikutin siya, kaya siyang tanggalin. You can simply just move it like this. Pag ni-rotate natin siya, nangyari, madaling matanggal. And then, mapapansin mo dito, saan ba siya? Yan. May notch siya dito. So, gagamitin natin yan para ilagay yung replacement natin na ear cup. So, ilulusot natin yung ear cup like this. So, yan. Yan. So, kita mo, naka-hook siya ng ganyan, di ba? Pinasok ko siya doon sa may notch itself. As you can see, there you go. So, ito wala pa, ito meron. Tapos, iikutin ko lang siya. Like this. Just make sure na I'm guiding it properly. Ganyan. Ikot, 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 ikot. A little bit more. Yan na. Nabubuo na siya. So, a little bit more. A little bit more. And finally, yan. It's all done.